Hello, I'm going to show you how to make Kokis, which is a Sri Lankan snack. So we got rice flour and coconut cream and an egg and salt and turmeric powder. This is turmeric powder. You don't have to have it. It's optional. So what you do is you get this rice flour and then pour it little bits by bits of the milk, coconut milk, and mix it along. And in the meantime, you could add a little bit of pinch of salt just to give that salty taste. Okay. And you just, you mix it and just add little by little. Don't put too much milk at once because you need to get it to the correct consistency. So we'll add this egg as well to that. And mix it correctly properly. So this the mixture becomes slightly yellow. And I'll just put a bit more of the milk. And just mix it. So I haven't put turmeric before, but some people do. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of turmeric, just so that will add a little bit of color to the cookies. But you don't have to have it. But for the first time, I'm just going to add some and see how it looks like. See, it becomes nice and yellow. So when you fry, it should come nicely. I think this consistency looks good, and I'll just have a tiny taste. I put a little bit of more salt. So it looks like this. So now I'll show you. Sarah, can you come around? So what I have got here is the non-stick mold, and I've got some vegetable oil there. I'm heating up, so this is the vegetable oil I just used. You can use anything. So the mold needs to be hot when we dip it into the batter. So just to check whether the oil is warmed up enough, I'll just get a tiny bit of that and just put it, yeah, see, the oil is really hot. So I'll just take this out and I'll just wait for a minute because it may be too hot. If it's too hot, it won't stick to the batter won't stick to the mold. So lift it up and you dip it in, and it will fry. There you go, and then you can take it out. So while that is frying, we could put another one. If the mold is too hot, it won't stick, so you have to be careful. And then we can take this out. Oh, actually, it's a nice color. Better than what I used to make before. So this is how it looks like. And I just put it in the thing. So that's it. Hope you can follow this, and I'll post a recipe in my description. And good luck. Thank you.